Are you looking for the best electric water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater provides endless on-demand hot water, saves space, and saves energy. Its compact size allows it to be installed on the wall or at the point of use, and it is 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters. The tankless electric water heater is 99% thermal energy efficient, and only heats water when called, unlike tank heaters that maintain water temperature. It is ideal for low-flow applications like a bathroom or small sink, providing between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute depending on the inlet water temperature. What we like: provides endless hot water on demand. Compact size saves space. 99% thermal energy efficiency saves energy. Number 2. Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater. The Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater Tronic 3000 T 4-gallon, ES4, is a convenient and efficient solution to provide hot water where you need it. With a thermal efficiency of 98%, it has a fast recovery rate that eliminates long waits for hot water at your sink. The electric water heater has premium glass-lined material for a long service life and can be easily mounted on the shelf, wall, or floor. It supplies up to 2 sinks at a time and has independent installation, which means it can be plugged into a 120-volt outlet or in line with a large hot water source. What we like: provides almost instant hot water. Easy to install and use. Energy efficient. Suitable for sinks, washing machines, and other appliances. Can be mounted on a shelf, wall, or floor. Number 3. Rheem 18 kilowatts Tankless Electric Water Heater. The Rheem Tankless Water Heater is a durable and efficient option for your hot water needs. With an external digital thermostatic control and LED display, you can easily adjust the temperature with plus or minus 1 degree accuracy. The most advanced self-modulation feature adjusts the power to meet your hot water demand, ensuring that you always have hot water when you need it. The 2 copper immersion heating elements are field serviceable and provide a flow rate of up to 4.4 GPM. Installation is easy with the bottom 3/4 inch NPT water connections, and the threaded design allows for simple replacement. With the digital temperature display, you can easily monitor the temperature of your water. What we like: easy to install. Space saving. User-friendly. 100% copper inside piping. Maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Kweetle Under Sink Instant Water Heater. The Kweetle Instant Water Heater offers a convenient solution for your hot water needs. With its upgraded digital display, you can easily adjust the temperature between 86 degrees Fahrenheit and 149 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you have the perfect heat for any task. This heater heats water rapidly thanks to its powerful 1500W element, providing hot water in just 6 minutes, which is ideal for busy kitchens or bathrooms. Safety is prioritized with a durable stainless steel design and built-in high-temperature protection, giving you peace of mind. Plus, its efficient insulation minimizes energy waste, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. What we like: fast heating in 6 minutes. Digital temperature control. Durable stainless steel construction. High energy efficiency. Number 5. Rheem RTX24 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The Rheem RTX24 Electric Tankless Water Heater offers on-demand, consistent, and continuous hot water whenever you need it. Its self-modulating power control adjusts energy usage based on hot water needs, making it more energy efficient than traditional tank water heaters. With an adjustable digital temperature display and an on-off dial control, you can easily set your desired temperature. The 24 kilowatts model has a flow rate of up to 5.9 GPM, which is perfect for most households. Additionally, the bottom 3/4 inch NPT water connections make installation a breeze. What we like. Energy efficient due to self-modulating power control. Adjustable digital temperature display and on-off dial control for easy temperature setting. High flow rate of up to 5.9 GPM for the 24 kilowatts model, perfect for most households. Easy installation with bottom 3/4 inch NPT water connections. Provides on-demand, consistent, and continuous hot water.